Bitcoin is trading at 36.4k as at the recording of this video, and we've seen a little move to the downside as expected on the 1-day chart, and on the 4-hour chart right here we see some sort of rejection. I told you that market is going to come back down, and that is what we are seeing right now. What are we expecting on the chart? That is what I'll be talking about today on ETH, Matic, Solana, and ADA, all of these and more in today's analysis. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please like this video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos. On the 1-day chart here, I told you to pay attention to two things, and one which have confirmed. So the first thing you need to pay attention to right here is this divergence. You see it right here. We see the market moving upward, and on the chart and on the indicator we see this very movement downward. So this is a complete divergence right here on the chart. And the second thing I told you to pay attention to is the fact that we must have to see red bars begin to form on the negative side of the MACD, and that is what is happening right now, and market is coming down gradually. The third confirmation before any entry or before the confirmation of this divergence is the market to break out on this very line of support, which form a broadening wedge. So a broadening wedge market breakout here, we're going to see the market move into this very level of support, and this is what I am closely paying attention to right now. The capacity of the market moving to the downside is very much like 70% than market moving to the upside right now. And once we see that breakout on this level of important support, market is going to come back down into this very area of critical support at this very point where I was talking about in the past. So this is what you have to pay attention to right now. Once this level is broken, this very area, that's this very trend line, then the market is going to move down into this very point. So this is what you need to watch right now on the chart. Like I said, the market have 70% chance of moving to the downside and only 30% chance of moving to the upside. So you should pay greater attention to the big chunk of the pie. So market is going to move down. That is what I am expecting right now. And nevertheless, the MACD have started formation on the negative side, which indicate that the market have high probability of moving down than moving to the upside on the 1-day chart, guys. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at the market is finding it difficult to move down significantly. We have seen very sluggish movement to the downside that have no strength and health right here. You see, this area is a very important area because this very point is an important level of support, and market is at this level of support again. I am expecting that this market come down a little bit from here into this very area, then from here we'll see the market continue to the upside. Okay, it may not create a new high, but from this very area of 36,200 and this very level of 35,800, market is going to begin to move to the upside significantly before continuation back down. So this is what I am expecting right now. Just a little drop to the downside on Bitcoin right now before the market will begin to move to the upside. So I am paying attention to market moving upward on the 4-hour chart from this very zone of 36,200 to this very area of 35,800. From this area, market should move a little bit upward, and if we see a creation of a new high higher than the previous high at this very point, then that means market is going to begin to move to the upside after the breakout. And on ETH, if you look at ETH very well, you see the market failed to create a new high at this very point. So a failure to create a new high at this very point send a very serious signal. Okay, so that means this market should continue a little bit to the downside, and what I am expecting is a little drop on ETH before a move to the upside. So market should drop down into this very area we see a spike from in the past. So market should come down a little bit into this area of 1998 and this very area of 1958. So from this very zone, I am expecting the market to move up to for continuation of this very impulse. So market impulse and then retracement, and then it will begin to continue from this area to the upside. So what you need to expect right now on ETH on the immediate short term is the market come back down a little bit into this area before the next move upward. And I am not expecting the market to create a new high in the previous high at this very point. Rather, market should tend to approach this very level and fail to create a new high, then continuation back to the downside. This is what I am watching right now on ETH. A little move to the downside, and then market is going to move upward for a buy opportunity or a long opportunity before continuation. Then once we see a significant failure of the market failing to create a new high, then a massive short opportunity will be good at this very point to the downside as well on ETH. And on Matic right here, you see Matic have been maintaining ground while others are feeling strength to the downside. And right now it seems as if the bulls are tired of moving this market to the upside. Not only that, we see a very choppy price action around this area. That means market is going to come back down, and I am expecting Matic to begin to move to the downside. So market should come back into this level of support before continuation to the upside. This is what I am expecting right now on Matic. From this very zone, market should retrace into this area before continuation to the upside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on Matic, and this very level of support is very important. So this very area is what you should watch on Matic right now, because when the market drop into this area, the market should find support from this very zone and begin to move to the upside for a buy opportunity. So this is what you need to watch right now. Market move in here and then continuation back to the upside. So a buy position right here or a long position would be a nice idea on Matic after this retracement coming to the market right now. And on Solana has dropped significantly, and you can see right here market is trying to pump to the upside. I am not expecting this move to create a new high anyway, but market right now is going to move a little bit upward and then come back down. So on Solana you need to wait, don't take a buy position or a long position anyway, because even though the market begins to move to the upside, I don't trust that move. Market is going to come back down a little bit into a significant zone like this very area before the next move to the upside. This is what you need to watch right now, because this very point was where the market moved to the upside from in the past, and if market comes to this very point again, it will be a nice thing to take a buy position from this very area. So this is what I am expecting right now on Solana. If the market drop right down, then a buy position will be a nice idea from here to the upside, or a long position on futures. And if the market begin to move to the upside, I will not take a buy position yet. I will expect the market to say come back down into this area for market to move upward. Nevertheless, if market break out from this very area of resistance right here, then a buy position will be a nice idea. That means as the market begin to move upward, don't just take a buy position, wait for a breakout, and a significant bullish candle is what you need to see before you have to enter a trade, and that candle must close above every other close within this very zone of resistance. And that is what you need to watch right now. And on ADA, you see the market retreat significantly, and this is what I have been expecting, and I talk about this in my immediate last video. The market is going to retrace right now. This retracement should continue a little bit downward into this very point. This is what I am expecting right now on ADA. This retracement should come back down a little bit into this zone of important support. So from here the market is going to move upward. Okay, so expect the market to still continue downward a little bit into this very zone, then the market is going to move upward again from this very area on ADA USDT. This is what I am expecting right now on the chart, guys. What do you think is going to happen on BTC? Because right here, what I am expecting is a breakout, and once that breakout happens, market is going to come back down. So what do you think? Do you think this breakout is going to happen on the chart, or we're going to see the market move upward? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.